Eddie Ghabour is here, Shah Galani's here, Christina Partsinevelos joins us now, and Ashley Webster to boot. What's the biggest issue facing the market right now? Is it earnings or is it China trade? Eddie Ghabour.
100% China. That is the biggest issue right now in the markets. That's the reason why everyone's so worried about earnings for 2019 heading into this year. All the earnings call, we're worried about tariffs and trade. If we get a trade deal with China, I think that's going to be the catalyst for the next leg up for this market, but more importantly for the global economy as a whole.
I've got some numbers for you about how we feel about the economy and investing. A Gallup poll says 48% of us are feeling more pessimistic about the economy. Nearly half of us. I don't know where that comes from.
That's up 12% from November.
Ouch. And the Boston Consulting Group says 73% of investors are worried about a recession. Eddie Ghabour, comment, please. Looks like a bunch of red flags to me.
I love this because when there's a lot of pessimism, that's just another case for my bullish reasoning for this market. In October, when I was here, I told you I got a little bit cautious as my concern was there was too much complacency in the market. Then we have this sell-off in the fourth quarter, and all of a sudden the world's coming to an end. It was oversold in December. We get the China deal. This secular bull market continues. So I love pessimism.
Is that your wife in the studio?
Yes, it is.
She cringed when you said you love this stuff. You realize that? Okay. Check the big board because this is the high of the day. And as we suggested, almost all of yesterday's loss has been erased. We're up 272 points. Look at this. Better profit at IBM. Okay, revenue is down again, but the profit was up and the stock is a gain there of 7%. That's a big gain for IBM. Revenue falling short at Capital One Financial. What does that do to the stock? Takes it down 4.7%. Then we have Lowe's, home improvement people. Now the official sponsor of the NFL, or one of the sponsors. It's a multi-year deal, covers the Super Bowl and other events like the annual draft. Stock's taking it down, what, about 1/3 of 1%. So what do you make of the strategy, Eddie?
I mean, I think it's good from a branding perspective for them. Home Depot's trying to make a real big push to try to get market share from Home Depot. Lowe's is, I'm sorry, trying to get market share from Home Depot. And so they're trying to go after that consumer that does a lot of their own renovations in their house. And with the housing market slowing down, that could be an area that you could see an uptick because people will do more renovations to their home when the market slows down on the housing side.
Eddie Ghabour, thank you very much
Thank you for having
indeed.
me.
I'm sorry you made your good wife cringe there, lady. Watch yourself.